This is the blizzard that you are missing again. There's my footprints where I had to go unblock the heater vent. See that nice big snowdrift? Aren't you glad you're not here? Let's go take a look at the back. Hello, Krabby Kitty. There's Stinky Kitty. Stinky Kitty, say hi to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Say meow. Oh, Stinky Kitty. She does. And Dominic was off at this deck this morning, chest deep on the deck. And there's the tree in the back, all drifted in. Oh yeah, look at the chair there, isn't that nice? Well anyway, the wind's blowing to beat hell. Of course, what else is new? Welcome to South Dakota. But I want you to see the blizzard that you're missing again. And the kids are home from school. Love you, babe. Miss you. Bye.